Hello, my name is Giovanna, and this is my capstone project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. This is my website. It's called Blind Love, and it's a dating app. The idea for this app came from some TV shows where the candidates go on dates or get married without seeing the other person. The goal of Blind Love is to allow you to find your soulmate based on the things you have in common rather than their appearance. For this reason, no pictures are used in this app. This is the main page, and I'm already logged in. For first-time users, I recommend following this link to learn more about Blind Love. Here you can see that the first thing you should do is to complete your profile, then fill out settings and you're ready to make connections. When we go to my profile, we see my age, but we can't change the age. It is calculated from the birth date provided during registration. The form is already pre-filled because I already filled out and saved this information previously. But I can come here and change this information at any point. For example, if I do this and click on save, we see this message saved successfully, and we can see that the information was already updated. Next, we go to settings. Here we can see our current location that can't be changed. Every time we log into the app, the location of our device is automatically saved into the database. This is just to make things easier in case we are traveling. All the other fields are mandatory because they will be used to filter possible dating candidates. This information was already pre-filled before. Next, we go to connect with people. Here you see the dating candidates, but only one at a time. You have a chance to read their information and like or dislike them. When you like the person, if the person has already liked you, you'll see a message saying that it's a match. The message will only be here for a couple seconds, then it disappears, and the page moves on to the next candidate. So, John, I know that he has liked me before, so if I like him, I will see this message saying that it's a match. And I only see this message for a couple seconds. Now I see the next candidate, and I know that this was the same thing. She liked me, and it's a match. But I know that Dan didn't like me, so if I like him, I'm only going to see the next candidate. And if I dislike this candidate, the same thing will happen. I'm only going to see the next candidate. Next, we go to matches. Here, we see all our matches. If we click on any of the matches, we are redirected to their profile and we can read all their information. Next is chat. Here we have the option to talk with our matches. I only have 2 matches so far. If I click on John, for example, I will see the messages that we exchanged because I know that we talked before. I just opened an incognito window and I logged in as John. So here you can see that our messages are in different sides of the screen. If I send a message to John and say, "Hi John," and press send, you see that on my window, on my screen, the message is pink, and on his screen the message appears in white. In sum, I would like to say that I believe my project satisfies the distinctiveness and complexity requirements of this assignment because it's not a social network or an e-commerce project. It also uses Django and JavaScript, has more than one model, and is mobile responsive. I was able to use several techniques learned through the course. In addition, this project was a great opportunity to research and learn new things on my own that I wanted to implement but I had not yet learned. A great skill that is essential to every developer. Thank you for watching, and this was Blind Love.